Hi, in this lesson we will be looking at how we write percentages as decimals or percentages as a decimal. This is grade G work. So for the very first question, why don't we convert 32% or write 32% as a decimal? Well, 32% means 32 out of 100, which can be written like this. So it's 32 out of 100, or it means it's 32 divided by 100. Just to review a bit of basic learning, if you remember our number positions, you've got tens, units, then you've got the decimal, then you have the tenths, and then the hundreds. Well, 32 as a whole number would look like this: the 2 under the units, the 3 under the tens, so that's 32. Now for a whole number you don't need to write the decimal at the end, but if you were to write it, it'd go there. But as I said, we don't need that. Now when you divide a number by 100, how many zeros are there? There are 2 zeros. So the numbers will have to move 2 places to the left. So the decimal stays where it is, and the numbers will move 2 places to the right. If you divide by 10, they will move 1 place to the right, like this. But because divided by 100, you have to move 2 places, so 1, 2, and you can't just have 0.32. We stick a 0 there, so the answer becomes 0.32. So 32 divided by 100 is 0.32. I'll show you that one more time. So 32 divided by 100, because it's divided by 100, there's 2 zeros. We're going to move the digits 2 places to the right. So that's 1 place to the right, and that's 2 places to the right, and then we just stick a 2 in front there. So the answer is 0.32. Let's see another example. This time let's do 87%. Well, 87% means 87 out of 100, which could be written as a fraction like this. Again, let's get our head number places out. So 87 as a whole number look like that. But to do 87 divided by 100, because there's 2 zeros, the digits have to move 2 places to the right. 1, 2. So you just copy the decimal down as it is, and there has to be a 0 in front. So 87% as a decimal is 0.87. Finally, let's do 6%. 6% as a decimal. Well, 6 as a whole number would just be there. And remember, 6% means 6 divided by 100, like that. 6 divided by 100. And because we divide by 100, there's 2 zeros. The digit 6 here, the number 6 has to move 2 places to the right. So that's 1, and that's 2. The decimal stays where it is, and we have to fill these places up, so we have to stick zeros in there. So the answer is 0.06. So 6% as a fraction would be 6 over 100, but as a decimal would be 0.06. I'll go through that with you one more time. The number 6 as a whole number would be there, but when we divide it by 100, it has to move 2 places to the right. So we move it 1, 2. The decimal stays where it should be, and then just fill the spaces up with zeros. So the answer is 0.06.